Hello students, I'm the OG Guru Dr. Puneet Bhojan here with a single point agenda to make OBGYN our most favorite subject, most scoring subject. I'm getting lots of messages and phone calls from the student. Says, sir, please give us a strategy for the final 100 days. So here's me presenting to you 100-day strategy, what you can do still now to clear the June FMG examination. And if you follow this, definitely results should be on your side. Feel free to get in touch with me on phone and WhatsApp on this number. Download the OG Guru app, and really happy to announce that we are giving the 3 months package only at 1349 with free extension up to the June FMG examination, and you will be able to master FMG, and 30 to 35 questions every year come from my lectures, and it's really going to be boost up your OBGY score. More about this later on. Now let us begin directly. Most importantly, in this video, I'm going to give you the strategy, what you should be following, क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है, कौन से सब्जेक्ट स्किप करने हैं, एंड आई एम आल्सो गोइंग टू गिव यू अ शॉर्टकट फॉर मेडिसिन, सर्जरी, पीएसएम, ओबीजीवाई, सम चीट कोड्स के विच टॉपिक्स यू कैन स्किप इन दिस सब्जेक्ट्स आल्सो. नाउ कैन आई स्टिल pass? Most frequent question, can I still pass FMG June 2026? The answer is a big yes. You need to believe in yourself. लेकिन hard work में बिल्कुल कमी नहीं रखना है. Absolute focus, dedication, guts and lots of effort. FMGE, faith in your God, faith in your efforts. Stay absolutely motivated. Motivation के लिए मैं बता रहा हूँ, guts, lots of efforts and lots of hard work you need to put in. Hard work is the key to success. And the last thing is, please don't waste time in motivation videos. Sir, हमको motivate कर दो. Directly from here only, one word answer. Do you want to pass FMG? Yes. If the answer is yes, you are now motivated. तो अभी मोटिवेशन के पीछे नहीं भागना है. Yes, you are motivated. अभी और मोटिवेशन के पीछे टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करना है. वो टाइम मिलेगा, उसमें थोड़ा मेडिटेशन करो, रेस्ट करो, रिलैक्स करो, और बाकी पूरा टाइम पढ़ाई करना है. So no more running after motivation. Okay, directly, please put in lot of hard work and you will do really very well is my guarantee. Now, the 100-day strategy, my first phase, I have divided into phase 1 and phase 2. Phase 1 will be more of thoda sa intensive study, and phase 2 is going to be completely entire revision. First phase, I have kept 5 days buffer also, because few days aapka, you might not feel up to the mark and all that, so it's always good to have a good 5-day buffer. 70 days mein se 65 days study and total 5 grand test you will give in the first 70 days. That means every 10, 12 days, 13 days, 2 weeks में एक बार आप, 2 weeks में 14 days में एक बार आप ग्रैंड टेस्ट दोगे. The next phase, which will start from the May 24th onwards, will be the final 30 days. 30 days में 25 days study, and over there again you can give 3 to 4 grand tests. So that means a test every week. So overall, if you give, my dear student, 8 to 10, no point giving 10, 12, 13, 4. बहुत ज़्यादा grand test नहीं देना है. अगर आप 8 भी देते हो, 8 to 10 grand test, that should be good enough. But grand test के बाद क्या करना है is extremely important. You need to also do the grand test का analysis. Only giving the test is not important. You need to do the grand test analysis also. Okay. And इसमें further कैसे करना है? So based on the years of experience and the marks, because everything is on the marks, here is how you divide your phase 1. Phase 1 में exactly क्या करना है I'm going to tell you, but number of days, medicine 8 days, surgery 6 days, PSM 5 days, OBGY 5 days. How to finish and master entire OBGY in 4.5 days? मैं हूं ना, मैं बताऊंगा आपको. So these 4, for any exam, as you know, for any exam, the big 4 subjects. The big 4 subjects specifically for FMG is your medicine, surgery, OBGY and PSM. Why? Medicine 30 MCQs, almost 30. Surgery 25 to 30. OBGY 30 to 35 MCQs come from OBGY, and PSM again another 25 to 30. So if you see, almost your 120 marks are from these 4 subjects, minimum 100 to 120 marks. So that you will give more time. Then comes your very important patho, micro, pharma, core subjects, very important. Short 4 अगर time नहीं है छोड़ दो. I cannot say, but only in the end. By short 4, I mean your anesthesia, ortho, derma, psychiatry. Yes, every subject is important, but if time is less. Again, pediatrics, you may just want. So please understand that you are flexible. You can do flexibility. Pediatrics, you may just want to give 3 days. Anat, physio, biochemistry, 3 to 4 days. Ophthalmology very scoring 3 days. ENT radiology again very scoring 3 days. Forensic medicine I just want to give 2 days and radiology also 2 days. So एक आध 2 दिन extra बचेगा. Feel free to जगल एज पर योर कन्वीनियंस एंड अगर आपको यहाँ पे और एक देना है तो यू कैन डेफिनेटली गिव इट. बट ये सीक्वेंस में दीज आर द इंपॉर्टेंट एंड ऑफ कोर्स एवरी सब्जेक्ट इज इंपॉर्टेंट. दीज आर रियली हाईली स्कोरिंग सब्जेक्ट्स. एनाट फिजियो बायोकेमिस्ट्री बेसिक सब्जेक्ट्स. तो ये ओवरऑल आपको the big four and these subjects you have to focus on. Now 65 days concepts, my dear student, it's completely a concept based exam. Hashtag crystal clear concepts. Only those who have crystal clear concepts are going to clear the examination. So what are we going to do here? Please understand this. Do not directly run behind MCQs. Yes, but in this first 65 days, at least 60% of your time, okay, if not 60 to 70% of the time, you should be focusing on theory concepts, because please understand my dear student, iske baad in the second phase it is not going to possible to touch theory. So jitna bhi theory padhna hai, jo bhi maximum theory aapko padhna hai, wo ye first 65 to 70 days mein you're supposed to read it. Why? Because the phase 2 will be only MCQ based. But here also side by side, remaining 30 to 40% of the time you will do MCQ. So divide your days. If you're studying 10 to 12 hours every day, which you should be studying, 12 घंटे अगर आप पढ़ रहे हो, 7 से 8 घंटा आप theoretical concepts पढ़ेंगे, theory में घुस जाएंगे. Because please understand this, MCQ is nothing but asking theory. If your theory is strong, any MCQ in the world you can answer. And remaining 4 to 5 hours you should be dedicating to doing MCQs and PYQs and past year topics. Okay, and then you will give 5 grand test. Now, इसमें भी कैसे करना है? मिक्स एंड मर्ज इज द मंत्रा. स्टार्ट विद 2-3 सब्जेक्ट्स. एक ही सब्जेक्ट नहीं पढ़ना है. पैथो, PSM, रेडियो, OBGY, you can start with this. Okay, now the problem with student is that directly medicine they focus. That is wrong. Please understand this, that medicine, I've told this before also, okay, my dear student, only start medicine once your, please understand this, okay, once your pharmacology, pathology, micro, physio and radio is over, your 80% medicine is already over, and then only you should start medicine. Is it clear? So first finish off your patho, micro, pharma and preferably physio also, and then only you start with medicine. Is it clear to all of you? So your first 26 days, pathology, PSM, radio, OBGY, you start with these 4 subjects. Mix and merge is the mantra. That means क्या करना है? Sir, one day do patho, then one day do PSM, one day again come back to patho, then half day radio, half day OBGY, one day OBGY, like that. ये mix and merge करते रहना है, and then you do this. Okay, do not forget these are extremely scoring subjects. Okay, ये जो वाले हैं opthal, ENT, FMT, radio, this we consider is the scoring. And my dear student, the game changer, OBGY is going to be the game changer, and OBGY आपका बेड़ा पार कराएगा, नया पार करा देगा. Mark my words, hundreds of students have called me and told me, sir, thanks to OBGY, I have cleared my FMG examination. Okay, so these are the importance on the marks के हिसाब से करना है, and then when these are done opthal, and then you start surgery. So what I'm saying is that don't continuously 4 days OBGY, then 5 days PSM, नहीं, mix and merge so that you don't get bored. Mix and merge मतलब के one day do patho, then do PSM, then again do patho, then do radio, then one day do OBGY, then again go to PSM. So first finish this 4, then this ऐसा करके. Once this is over, then you start your medicine. You will give 1 grand test only after first 30 days from now. Okay, then you can give pediatrics for 2 to 3 days also. 3 is also okay. One more day you may want to give to anatomy. Okay, and then the remaining medicine, and then you give 2 grand tests. So 1 grand test every week. And last में your short 4 subjects, where I said कि अगर time permitting, time is less, you may even want to leave it in option, or you may want to option में छोड़ सकते हैं. Yes, और कोई option नहीं है. Forensic you may want to give just 2-3 days. ENT again 2 to 3. Biochem में आप एक extra दे सकते हो 3 to 1 4, and this. So एक feel free 1 or 2 days here and there is up to you, depending on your strong subject, your weak subject. ये overall broader हमने टाइम टेबल आपको दिया है for the first 70 days. Remaining, remember ये first 70 days में क्या करना है? Yes sir, assuming कि you are going to study 12 hours every day. Yes sir, 8 hours, 7 to 8 hours is going to be theoretical concepts, and remaining 4 hours is going to be MCQ based. So दोनों side by side करना है. 7 to 8 hours is going to be your theory. Okay, theory मतलब के crisp points, crystal clear points, short points, bullets, flow charts, tables, extremely important previous year topics. Now, the second phase, which is going to be your final and last revision, May 24 to June 30, final days. This is going to be absolutely almost 90% of the time you will be doing MCQs and the grand test. एंड थ्योरी वॉट एवर ओनली जो रॉन्ग पड़ेगा वो थ्योरी को आपको 10% टाइम देना है. सो दैट्स व्हाई रिमेंबर माय स्टूडेंट, एज आई सेड कि आफ्टर फेज 1 यू विल नॉट गेट टाइम टू रिवाइज थ्योरी, बट द मिस्टेक स्टूडेंट्स मेक इज दैट दे डू ओनली FMG MCQs. नो, you cannot pass. Please note down these words. Today, FMG exam is becoming as tough as the NEET PG. Some questions are even tougher than the NEET PG. Yes, however sad you may feel or however unfair you may feel, but that is the harsh and bitter reality. And therefore, only by doing FMGEK previous year questions, you will not be able to make it compulsory. FMG PYQs plus NEET PG PYQs compulsory. You have to do it of preferably 5 to 7 years. 5 to 7 years. Is this understood? Most repeated topics, frequently asked topics and weaker topics. That is what you need to do. Okay. So here the last final 30 days will only be going to be revision based, and whichever weaker topics you are feeling, which MCQs are going wrong, uska selected theory you will be doing. Is it clear? Target के आप at least more. फिर again MCQs कैसे पढ़ना है? Question answer. Now what MCQs are going correct, no need to read the explanation, but whatever you are not confident, please read the detailed explanation also. Read detailed explanation is important. कि sir अगर ये question I do not know, this question I'm not able to answer, or this concept I do not know, you will have to read the detailed explanation also and try to do all the other things around it. जो question एकदम confident है, what you are only confident, you can just mark the answer and go at that. If you don't waste time in explanation, it is okay. Is this understood to all of you? Now, very important, this is my shortcut for medicine. क्या करना है? Yes, medicine is very huge, लेकिन at least what you can do, cardiology, ECG, MI, rheumatic heart disease, infective endocarditis, heart failure, न्यूरोलॉजी में स्ट्रोक, एपिलेप्सी, मेनिंजाइटिस, ये सब क्वेश्चंस आने ही वाले हैं, लिख के ले लो. रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम में TB, COPD, ABG पे क्वेश्चन आते हैं, निमोनिया, प्लूरल एफ्यूजन, रूमैट में SLE, RE. इतना तो करना ही करना है. If time permits, then your diabetic ketoacidosis, thyroid disorders, nephrology में acute and chronic renal injury, infectious diseases, your dengue, leptomalaria are also may come. So at least finish this first and your majority medicine will be covered. तो medicine का मैंने आपको 2 मंत्र दिया है कि finish pharmac, micro, patho, radio, physio, प्रायोरिटाइज दैट. वो फिनिश करेंगे तो 70% मेडिसिन खत्म हो गया. एंड देन इफ यू जस्ट फिनिश दिस, इफ टाइम इज लेस, एटलीस्ट ये तो बेयर मिनिमम करना है. और एक शॉर्टकट सर्जरी का भी आपको दे देता हूं. मैं हूं ओजी गुरु, लेकिन सर्जरी का भी बता दे रहा हूं. इज बेस्ड ऑन ईयर्स ऑफ लास्ट 5-10 ईयर्स एक्सपीरियंस के हिसाब से जो टॉपिक्स आए हैं और मोस्ट फ्रीक्वेंट जो है, तो शॉक, बर्न्स, सर्जिकल इन्फेक्शंस, फ्लूइड इलेक्ट्रोलाइट इम्बैलेंस, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. GI ये तो आने ही वाला है. अपेंडिसाइटिस, इंटेस्टाइनल ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन, पेप्टिक अल्सर, कोलोरेक्टल कैंसर्स, गॉल स्टोन्स, ऑब्स्ट्रक्टिव जॉन्डिस, पैनक्रियाटिस, एक्सट्रीमली इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स. ब्रेस्ट, थायराइड डिसऑर्डर्स, ब्रेस्ट कैंसर, ब्रेस्ट लंप, ये बहुत हॉट टॉपिक्स. एवरी ईयर दे कम. थायराइड नोड्यूल्स, थायराइडिज्म, thyroid surgeries, and your prostate and renal calculi. इतना तो bare minimum you should do. If time permitting, your vascular diseases, varicose veins, arterial diseases, venous ulcers, and your neuro surgery, raised ICP, head injuries, intracranial, all that, hematomas, all that, if time permitting. PSM के लिए भी एक शॉर्टकट आपको बता देता हूं कि एटलीस्ट ये पहले कर लेंगे. योर इंसिडेंस, प्रिवेलेंस, स्क्रीनिंग टेस्ट, ऑड्स रेशियो पे क्वेश्चंस, बायोस्टैटिस्टिक्स क्वेश्चंस आर गोइंग टू कम. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इम्यूनाइजेशन, कोल्ड चेन, वैक्सीनेशंस, नेशनल हेल्थ प्रोग्राम सारे, स्पेशली TB, HIV, अपना ये सब आपको बहुत अच्छे से करना है. एंड ऑफ कोर्स टाइम परमिटिंग, देन यू मे वांट टू डू दिस टॉपिक्स. विटामिन डेफिशिएंसी, वो थोड़ा सा पीडियाट्रिक्स में ओवरलैप होगा. ऑक्यूपेशनल हेल्थ हजार्ड्स, यस. सो ये आपको प्रैक्टिस करना है. नॉन कम्युनिकेबल डिजीज, अगेन दे आर गोइंग टू आस्क यू अ लॉट. ओके, बिकॉज नाउअडेज दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. तो ये आपको करना है. ओके, नाउ OBGY, my dear student, आपका बेड़ा पार करेगा, लिख के ले लो. 30 to 35 MCQs are going to come, and every year students have told me कि sir, the way you teach us OBGY, we can hear your voice in the exam. जैसे ही OBGY का questions आते हैं, because I have heard your lectures, each and every question is from a video. My dear student, I can assure you, just give 4.5 days. 4.5 days आपका रिजल्ट बदल देगा, ये मेरा गारंटी है. 4.5 दिन मुझे दे दो मेरा ऐप पे. जस्ट गिव 40 to 45 hours on my app. अगर कोई सब्जेक्ट, if a subject is going to give you 30 to 35 questions, and every year my students get 30 on 30, 28, 29. You can go and check the recall videos also, read all the reviews. My dear student, whichever source OBGY you have studied from before this, no problem. आपने कहीं से भी OBGY पढ़ा है, just come on my app, just give 4 days to my OG Guru app, and your score. What is OBGY? You will love it. You will fall in love with OBGY. It will become your most scoring subject, most guaranteed subject, most scoring subject. My guarantee. Every year student, when you will walk out of FMG exam like other students, you will tell me, sir, मेरा best performance OBGY में हुआ है. I can give you guarantee on this. So, because so many students are getting stuck at the score of 135, 140. Then they take my OBGY app and then they get 28 or 30 on 30. So if with your current knowledge, you are 10, 11, 12, 14, even 15 in OBGY after my lectures, exactly within 4 days, your OBGY score is going to jump up to 27, 28, 29, 12 to 15 marks more. I don't need to tell you the importance of 12 to 15 marks, my dear student. 12 to 15 marks, 15 marks more is the difference between score of 135 and 150 or 155 and 140. So 15 marks at least plus, because overall 30 to 35 MCQs come in OBGY, and as I said, just give 4.5 days and you will master OBGY with my guidance. It's a very predictable subject, and once you master OBGY, instantly your score and your rank is going to jump up, and it is a most scoring subject. Now, two other things जो आपको ध्यान रखना है. Images, surely lots of images come. 20-30 images overall अगर आप देखे होंगे, अगर 300 मार्क्स का पेपर है, 30 से भी ज्यादा plus images can come. So you can make a image slide deck for each subject, and in my OG को there's a specific image based separate lectures है जो आपका OBGY का scoring boost कर देगा. And very important, please understand topics every year, subject wise list of topics. Like I have just given you a list of, in medicine, surgery, PSM, I gave the list. Try to make a list of all the topics from other subjects, because 100% majority questions will come from the previous year topics only. This is your trick and mantra. You will have to do that. Make a list for all the topics. There's a free video for entire OBGY hit list in my app. You can download the OG Guru app and see that free video where the list of the most important 10-15 topics in gynec and 10-15 in obstetrics I've given you, and you can just get in touch with me on phone and WhatsApp on this number. दो और चीज क्या करना है आपको, दो और चीज जो आपको करना है वो ये है कि यू नीड टू डू एनालिसिस ऑफ योर ग्रैंड टेस्ट. जस्ट गिविंग ग्रैंड टेस्ट इज ऑफ नो यूज. ओके, यू नीड टू सी के वेयर यू आर गोइंग रॉन्ग, बिकॉज अगर आप वो एनालिसिस नहीं करोगे, योर ग्रैंड टेस्ट स्कोर कैन नॉट बूस्ट अप. सो यू नीड टू सी के विच MCQs आई एम रॉन्ग, विच MCQs आई एम करेक्ट. बट जो रॉन्ग MCQs है, why is it wrong? Were you not paying attention at that time? You didn't read the question correctly? Okay. But if your question is wrong because you did not know the concept failure are the most dangerous, then you will have to, अगर आपको टॉपिक का concept नहीं पता है, go back, read that concept in detail, see the video, या वो आप पढ़िए concept या notes पढ़िए, and then only make a book of all your mistakes. Make a book of your mistakes. जो भी आपके MCQs wrong हो रहे हैं, write down your mistakes and keep on reading that, and that book of mistakes will become ultimately your success story. Is it understood, my dear student? ठोको ताली. मतलब कि आपके mistakes आप लिखते जाइए and ultimately keep on reading that, and finally that book of mistakes becomes your success story, and that will happen for sure. And my dear student, see all this, you can read it up aram se. Sir, the way you teach each and every question from the way how you had taught us, okay, thanks to you, sir. OBGY was the best subject, sir. OBGY was my savior. Okay, you didn't only taught me the subject, you told me to believe in myself. So second half, all the questions came from your notes, and words are not enough. So same thing is going to happen with you. And look at this beautiful handwritten notes with all the updated content, latest, all recent advances, even the new edition of the notes are out, and beautiful handwritten notes. You can easily revise the notes in 2 hours. माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स ने मुझे बताया है कि सर पेपर 1 खत्म होके हमने ब्रेक में आपके नोट्स पढ़े हैं, अंदर जाके हमने OBGY क्रैक कर दिया है. I have done a notes reading session with all my students in 2 hours. We've read the entire notes once you have seen the videos. So do not waste your time. As I repeat, OBGY is a single most important subject. 30 to 35 MCQs are going to come, and just in 1, 3, 4, 9, 3 months. Yes, 3 months नहीं है एग्जाम के लिए, 3.5 90 days है. We are also going to give you free extension after your package is over. Just drop me a WhatsApp message and we are going to give you free extension till the June examination also. So just by the 3 months package 1349, life change आपका हो जाएगा. Your score in OBGY is going to jump up to 28, 29, 30, and if you are getting stuck up at the score of 130, 140, 145, all of you will pass through. Everything is there. Theory lectures, MCQs, handwritten notes, mock test. Don't get hassled by 65. You just require 45 hours, okay? Because 1.5x पे आप देखोगे तो just give 4 days to the app. Oh, my dear student, under my guidance, you will master OBGY, will become your most scoring subject. And the last and the most important is the power of positive thinking, manifestation. Positive thinking क्या है? Positive thinking का मतलब ये है कि every day before sleeping आपको पावर ऑफ इमेजिनेशन. इमेजिन कि आपका एग्जाम बहुत सुपर गया है. इमेजिन यू हैव क्रैक्ड योर एग्जाम. इमेजिन योर सेल्फ कमिंग आउट द एग्जामिनेशन हॉल एंड जंपिंग कि पेपर 1 में सर 150 में से 75, 80, 90 तक स्कोर. पेपर 2 में भी सेम 85, 90, 100 एंड ओवरऑल आपका स्कोर 180, 200, 220. Imagine yourself, you're giving the exam and all आपके आंसर्स करेक्ट हो रहे हैं. Imagine yourself jumping with joy कि your result has come and all of you have scored 180, 200 plus. And imagine yourself doing the PG seat also and getting a dream branch and career. Okay, so 2-3 मिनट always think positivity. दिन भर आप पढ़ोगे लेकिन 2-3 मिनट 5 मिनट प्लीज स्पेंड टाइम इमेजिनिंग कि योर एग्जाम इज गोइंग सुपर एंड योर रिजल्ट्स आर सुपर एंड योर पास द FMG examination. Please follow me on Insta, subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'm always available on phone and WhatsApp on this number. Drop me a message if you have any difficulties. I'm there to help you out. And please follow this 100-day strategy and all of you should come out as a winner. And I wish you best of luck for the upcoming FMG examination.